Hi, I am Dipankar Sinukta. I am brand manager South Asia for Electro-Voice and Dynacord, taking care of the portable speakers and microphones. Here we are back again with PALM Expo 2026. What we have this year with us is Evolve 70, our flagship product in portable column array speakers, and the Evolve 90, which is the bigger sibling of Evolve series. In Evolve 70, we have in the column array, we have 8 numbers of 4.7 inches neodymium drivers. We have a 15-inch subwoofer, and in Evolve 90, we have again 8 numbers of 4.7 inches neodymium drivers and an 18-inch subwoofer, which is the only in its segment. This Evolve 90 delivers a crystal clear sound at a high SPL of 134 decibels. So now we are moving on to the latest introduction which we have in the install segment of Electro-Voice, which is the EVF Generation 2. EVF speakers has been there catering to the industry for quite a long time now. In the Generation 1, we had 12 inches and we had 15 inches, and we had it in 2 variants, which is the S version and the D version. Now we have streamlined the entire series into only one single version, delivering the D version quality and at a price which is competitive to the S version as well. You have seen the key highlights of Electro-Voice for PALM 2026. So we are surely coming back next year with much more exciting products for the audio industry. Thank you.